Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cockle clams. First, ensure your cockles are fresh and alive. Their shells should be tightly closed. Begin by rinsing them well under cool, running water to remove any surface dirt. Next, gently scrub each shell with a clean brush. Finally, soak them in a bowl of cold, salted water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This helps them release any remaining sand, ensuring a clean and enjoyable meal. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, add about 1 to 2 inches of your chosen liquid, perhaps a dry white wine or water. Enhance the flavor with minced garlic and fresh parsley. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Carefully add your cleaned cockles to the pot, then cover it tightly. Let them steam for approximately 5 to 7 minutes or until all the shells have opened wide. To elevate the flavor, stir in a generous knob of butter, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and more fresh herbs into the hot cooking liquid. Serve your delicious cockles immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread to soak up every drop of that savory broth. They are also wonderful tossed with pasta, served over rice, or as a flavorful addition to a seafood stew. Remember to discard any cockles that did not open during cooking. For the best results, avoid overcrowding your pot. Cook the cockles in smaller batches if needed. It is crucial not to overcook them, as this can lead to a rubbery texture. They are perfectly done once their shells open. Always prioritize freshness when selecting your cockles for optimal taste and safety. With these simple steps, you are ready to enjoy a delightful and flavorful meal of perfectly cooked cockle clams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.